Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can move conversations to different channels on Slack. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to app.slack.com and log in to your Slack account. From your main dashboard, first select the channel with the conversation that you want to move on another channel. Let's say I'm currently in Alt-Workspace, and this is the current conversation that we have. Now, we're going to go to the top right of this conversation and click on these three dots. A drop-down menu will appear, and we're going to click on Move Channel. After that, you can choose a helpful name like Priority, for Team, Announcements, or Social. Select one and then click on Create. As you can see, the channel is now moved to another one, which is a social. So, just as we moved it, the All-Workspace conversation is now under the social channel. Now let's try moving it again. Again, click here and click on Move Channel. As you can see, we now have options. Currently, it is in the social channel, but we can also move it to the starred one. So click on that. And when you look in the left panel, it has now been moved. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!